Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to implement voting ensembling method in Python. So this is my code snippet over here. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So first, let me clear my kernel. Now let's get started. So first of all, what is voting ensemble? So SK basically random forest, XGBoost, all are an ensemble type of model. Some are bagging, some are boosting. So ensembling basically means combining different results. So over here in voting ensemble, as sorry as decision tree or as random forest combines different values in the different results of the splitted of different iterations while training, whereas voting ensemble combines different models. So basically we want to average out the complete values of different model. So there are so consider cases where I'm using 3 to 4 models, and each model give me a bit of different result. That is, one of model gives me an accuracy of 98%, that may be overfitting, whereas the other gives me an accuracy of 90%, that is underfitting. So basically I want to combine all of these and I want to get a robust model which can perform equally well in in any situation where it sees a new data set that it hasn't seen before. So that is one case where we can use a voting classifier. So basically voting ensembling method is of two types. One is regressor, voting regressor, and one is classifier. So as a voting regressor, it calculates the average of the value. Voting classifiers does two can be of two types, that is hard voting and that is soft voting. So basically hard voting is it calculate it that the maximum it picks up the value of those models which gives me the maximum result. So what it actually does now, if consider a class A in which my logistic regression gives me the best result, whereas consider a class B value in which my decision tree classifier gives the best result, and consider a case of class C where my SVC gives the best result. So I want the best result out of all these, so I can use a voting classifier. What it will do when it does a hard voting, it picks up the best from all of these three models, uh, and it combines them to give me a model that is combination of all those three. So from sklearn I've imported model selection. Now I'm using a linear model over here, that is a logistic regression, then a tree decision tree classifier, then support vector classifier, then sklearn.ensemble I will import voting classifier. Now sklearn import datasets, I'll use preloaded dataset. So from sklearn.model selection I'm importing train test split. Now okay, now I'm importing matplotlib.pyplot as plt and my plot style is ggplot. Now dataset, so I'm loading my dataset over here. I'm splitting that to feature matrix and the target matrix, and then I'm performing train test split. So I'm keeping 25% for my testing part and rest 75 for my training part. Now k-fold, so I'm basically performing cross fold validation, that is CV. So n splits is equal to 10, and random seed is equal to this is a random generator 42. Model selection, after that I am appending all the estimators. So what I am doing, model 1 logistic regression, model 2 is my decision tree, and model 3 is my SVC. So basically I'm making list of all those models, and then I am performing ensemble. So what does ensemble does? Ensemble is equal to voting classifier estimator. So if when I pass this estimator list, it will perform my voting classification for all of these three, and then from result is equal to model underscore selection dot cross validation score. Performing a cross validation score, it will give me the result. Now ensemble, so basically it creates a model out of all by combining all these three model, then uses x train, y train, and cross validation is equal to train for giving me the result. Now print result dot mean, so this gives me the final result. My final result comes out to be 93%. Okay, so there can be cases where my logistic regression would have given me 97% result, but my SVC, that is my support vector classifier, would have given me 85% result. So it combined all of these three and it averaged it out to be 93%. Now it's not only about the score. I could have also gone for logistic regression, but it also needs to be robust. There can be a case where logistic regression has overfitted on the training data set and it has given me a better score, whereas SVM has underfitted and has given me a poorer score. So when I combine this, I get a combination of all those three, where my model is just a perfect fit to give me equally good accuracies on the unseen data sets. Okay, so this was all about codes in this video. For recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website for industry relevant projects like this. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the URL for the code in this video is available in the description below. Thank you.